All right, let's talk about how much money you might be leaving on the table at a gutter job. And I'll talk about how I would price this job and why I'd price this job this way. So right here, we've got a 20-foot piece and a 6-foot piece of gutter. This is a return customer. They held off on this on the initial part, and then they loved our black gutter so much, they're like, we need it on the rest of the house. So 20-foot piece and a 6-foot piece. Most of you are going to look at that and be like, all right, it's 26 feet. I'm going to charge $10 a foot maybe, so 260 bucks. One downspout at 10 bucks a foot again, so we got 10 foot here. So another 360 bucks. Whew. How can you even send your guys out to a job site for $360 and make any money? Cost on a job like this really isn't too bad. It's small, and so this one actually falls below our minimum, but because it's a return customer, we'll come back for less than our minimum job. So our normal job site minimum is $1,500. So if we showed up and did this thing for 350 bucks, you can see why that would be a problem, right? Material cost on this really isn't too crazy. Materials all in, you're looking at like $2 to $3 a foot, depending on what's going on this. So, so $3 a foot times 26 feet, you know, all in, we're less than 100 bucks on just the material cost. Then we got downspout, so 100 bucks, give or take, right? So 100 bucks on this, and you might be like, well, shoot, man, 250 bucks, and you can make that and get that done in 45 minutes, whatever. Yes, you're right, but you're forgetting about drive time to the job site. I don't know if y'all can tell, but we're in the middle of nowhere here. So you got job time or drive time to the job site. You have a vehicle. Look at that vehicle right there. That's a fancy truck that costs a lot of money, not just in fuel, but insurance and maintenance, upkeep. I mean, it just got an oil change today, and that costs 80 bucks, right? So all the stuff adds up. Now you got to add in all of your tools. A simple tape measure costs 20 bucks nowadays. All this stuff costs money, and you can't just look at a job as, cool, I made this much in 45 minutes, I'm good to go. No, we need to look at the overhead of everything that's included in this. So the big question, what is this job worth to us at One Way Exteriors? Well, this job to us looks like, you know, it's a smaller job. We normally just send maybe one guy, maybe two on this. So I'm here helping today. We got a new guy, I'm teaching him. He's got his ladder set up a little wonky, but that's all right. He was just grabbing a level out. So, but what is this job worth to us? We've got 26 feet, right? We charge $16 a foot. So that math here, that right there is $416. On our downspouts, we charge $200 a downspout. So 200 bucks, that's $616. But there's more. We charge for doing miters as well, even though we use box miters. Shame on me for you gutter guys getting all upset right now. We charge for that. That's a piece we have to buy. That's time it takes. That's caulk. That's everything. All right, so we charge $175 for that. So plus $175, we're at $791 for this. More than double what the average person charges. What this does is not just put money in my pocket. No. Like our bottom line still runs like 20%. But this allows my technicians to make better money. This allows us to have nicer vehicles. This allows us to keep up on the tools and everything else. This allows us to give them newer gutter machines. We don't have to run 20, 30, 40-year-old, well, 40-year-old machines don't really exist, but 20 or 30-year-old gutter machines, right? We can use brand new KWM 6-inch gutter machines, right? It works. It allows us to stock inventory so that we can service a neighbor or something if they come over and like, hey, can you help us out? It benefits everybody. If a customer decides, hey, you know what? I want to put gutter guards on this. This one doesn't really need any gutter guards. They're in the middle of nowhere, no trees. But if this customer wanted gutter guards, guess what? We've got them on the truck because we don't have to buy material for the job that day. We buy it in bulk, we sit on it, and we sell it, all right? And we're here to serve our customers really, really quick. We live in an Amazon world where people want things now, not tomorrow, not the next day, not next week, surely not next month. They want it now. So if we can provide that, why the heck not? And we can. Charging these rates allows us to give our guys down shop time. If there's not a job yet for that day, okay, cool, we got stuff around the office for you to be doing, cleaning up, whatever. organize your truck, organize the warehouse, sweep the warehouse, whatever that looks like, we can afford that to keep our employees employed, working hard. You know, I mean, this morning we had Tyler here changing oil, rotating tires, things like that on our fleet of vehicles because he didn't have a job. All right, we sold this one today. All right, let's go get it done right now. Customer's super happy. They called in to make their payment on the prior. We really want this. Oh, let's do it for you right now. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. We were able to do it. It's black gutter. We stocked it. All right, it's in our warehouse, ready to roll because it's one of our primary colors. So doing these things, charging the right rates, allows you the opportunity to serve at a higher level and radically change the game. It's not just pad in your pocket, but you gotta actually do it. You gotta actually be able to provide more. You can't just go spend that money on a new jet ski or hot tub or whatever it is. You gotta actually put this people in place so that you can serve your clients at a higher level, because you aren't gonna be able to wear all the different hats of the business for very long. And if you're still caught up on $16 a foot or 200 bucks for a downspout or charging $175 for a box miter or whatever it is that you're hung up on, insurance companies literally pay on this. An average insurance company will pay out $12 per foot for 6-inch K-style gutter. And I think we can all agree that insurance companies are the biggest con artists in the world. So how much more ethical are you than an insurance company? So if they're willing to pay that, we know they're trying to pay as little as possible. So if off the rip they're willing to pay 12 bucks a foot, why on earth would you ever do work for less than what the biggest con in American history is willing to pay? I don't know about you, but I'm a heck of a lot more ethical and care about my clients a lot more than most insurance adjusters, or anybody at an insurance company. So I genuinely care about them. I'm going to charge them a little bit more so I can serve them at a higher level, and I can afford to come back if we make a mistake. It doesn't just come out of my pocket. I will gladly come back and serve them because they paid for that on the front end.